All right, here's the DePersia baler on the older Sunfish. There's some questions about it on the forum. So it's got this little float ball that comes up, and I know it for sure seals against that. The question I have is that there's another washer down inside there that it may be supposed to seal up against that, but if so, I don't have the right size washer. So the ball goes in there, and it's metal casted to hold it in, whereas the plastic ones have little pins. I forgot about the difference on that. So we put the ball in, put an O-ring on it, and then it goes through the hole. Then inside the hole, this one has this washer. I'm not sure if all of them have that or not, but wouldn't hurt. Put on the nut to hold it in, and then the cap goes in. The cap has these drain holes here, so you can cap screwed down when you don't want water coming in, and then when you're underway, unscrew the cap enough to have these holes show up, and the water can drain out with the venturi coming through. And then in theory, the ball will float up if the boat's sitting still and seal up, and you won't have water coming in, but we've had limited luck with that. One of the things noted on some old Alcort literature, it recommends greasing up these threads with a little bit of Vaseline about once a month. So good luck with this baler if that's the one you got out there. Have a good day.